Hello YouTube, there's a hair tie on my hand. Hello YouTube, what do I say? Hello YouTube, it's Lily Edgar here, and I have today another makeup tutorial. Today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I've been watching videos a lot of a makeup look called the boy beat. So basically it's a very natural, barely there makeup look that is kind of boyish, and this is by no means my original idea. A lot of YouTubers have been doing it, so I'm just kind of following the trend. So yes, not my original idea. Let's get into the video because my camera is dying. So first, I'm gonna start with some skincare. I'm not gonna do a lot of talking in this video because I want to just kind of, you know, show you how I'm doing the makeup with minimal talking. And then I go and do a voiceover anyway, well, to explain what I'm doing. So basically I sprayed my face with my Rose Water Mario Badescu mist, and then I put a lot of nice skincare on that I will link in the description box below because skincare is vital to makeup. Alright, and this is a fast video, wow. Starting with foundation, we are using the Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation in the palest shade because I am a pasty biatch, and I am just, you know, spreading that all over my, putting that on my face, and then blending it with a beauty blender to have a more even toned complexion. And I really like that foundation because it's got a very nice kind of dewy finish. And then I'm taking a concealer brush and just dipping it into the foundation just to go over any spots that need a little more coverage, you know. Then I am going in with my Airspun loose setting powder and taking a little powder puff and putting that over not all of my face because I kind of like the dewy look a little bit, but just under my eyes and my forehead and around my nose and my chin. Next up is brows, and you can't really see what I'm doing because I'm looking downwards because that's where my mirror was, but basically I'm just trying to make my brows look like thicker and fuller, like more bushy brows, because, you know, guys tend to have like bushier eyebrows, and since this is a boy beat, we're going full boy brow. And yeah, so I'm just, you know, with light strokes trying to make my eyebrows appear fuller. Then I'm gonna take my Kat Von D tattoo liner. I can't remember the exact name, but it is in the brown shade, and I am mimicking the look of hairs with really light strokes. It's like a really fine brush tip, so you can make very tiny strokes with it. I'm making it look like little hairs, and then I'm just kind of lightening them by taking my spoolie and blending them all out. Now I'm just setting it with a brow mascara. I'm really stroking the hairs upwards to try to make them look more full. Brows are done, and hair flip, and then we are going to do a little light eyeshadow for the eyes, just taking a matte light brownish color. This is actually a bronzer from Too Faced that I got as a sample, and I'm just buffing that into the crease of my eyelid, and then I'm taking a tinier brush and putting that on my lower lash line. Once again, you can't really see what I'm doing because I'm looking down. Come on, Lily, look up. There we go. And then I'm just going to take the fluffy brush again and just blend out under my lower lash line. And next I'm going to curl my lashes, and don't drop your eyelash curler like I did. I'm just going to curl them very lightly, gently. And now taking your most favorite brown pencil liner, go ahead and tightline your upper lash line just to make it look a little bit fuller and more eyelashy, you know? Alright, and next up is mascara. Now you can use a brown mascara. I think that would look really nice with this makeup look. I only have a black one, so I was really ratchet and just used my brow mascara, which I would not recommend doing because that is not very hygienic. Or you could use black if you like it, but I'm just putting on a very light coat of mascara. And bat your eyelashes a little bit to flip hair. Next up, I'm just going to use that shading contour again by Too Faced, but I'm actually using it as contour now, and I am putting it on my cheekbones and under my jawline to get that sharp jawline that I don't have. And then I'm going to be putting it under my bottom lip, above my chin, under my nose to make my nose look a little bit higher, and then on my forehead and temples. And hair flip once again. And now we're gonna do highlight because I just can't go a day without highlight. Shout out to Rissa, my girl, for gifting this for Christmas to me. I love it very much. Thank you so much, my dear. I am using the pinkish shade. This is Anastasia Moonchild highlight, and we're already past it now. And we are on to the cool part of this. I am just taking my brown pencil liner again and going over any moles or little freckles that I have on my face already, and darkening them just a little bit to make them stand out a little bit more. It's just, you know, kind of cool, fun and fresh and quirky, yay. And then I'm just blending it out with my beauty blender that still has a little bit of foundation on it from before to make it look not so harsh. But not least, you can't have crusty lips, even though this is the boy beat and boys may have crusty lips. Not all of them, some of them, yeah. So I'm just using some lip balm and making sure that my lips are nice and moisturized, and then we are done with the finished boy beat makeup look. Ta-da! Alright guys, so this is the finished look of the Boy Beat makeup tutorial. Yeah, it's just really natural and fresh-faced. Really simple, and it actually did not take me long at all to do this. It took me like maybe 10-15 minutes. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and yeah, if you enjoyed it. If you have any video ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And hopefully I'll be able to film another one and upload it. So I hope you have a lovely day, and thank you for watching. Bye! Stay hydrated, kids. Water is life.